Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use message to reveal feature on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to create a story on my Instagram. I'm just going to upload this photo to my story, and then we can simply click on the sticker button right here, and we can choose the reveal feature. Click on it, then you can type message to reveal. For example, I'm going to type this one, guess what? Okay, and after that we just need to click on done, and here you can read the description. The story will be blurred, people can see it after they message you. And I'm going to click on done, and before you share the story to your Instagram, you can take a look at the preview. So this is the preview. This is how your story will look to anyone who hasn't messaged you to reveal. And I'm just going to share it, guys. Okay, I'm just going to share this to my story. Click on your story, and then we just need to wait until the story has been uploaded to our Instagram. Okay, and I'm going to see it with another Instagram account. I'm going to open my second account, guys. Again, this is the story I have just posted, and if we want to see the picture, we have to message this account. We can click on message to reveal. For example, I'm going to send emoji. Okay, and as you can see, after we send message, we'll be able to reveal this picture on the story. Alright guys, and that's how we can use a message to reveal on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.